Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to transfer TON token from Bybit to BitGet. Right, so if you want to do this, just follow this video till the end. So first of all, you have to get your BitGet Wallet TON address. So just go to the website or download the application. On the top right, log in into your BitGet account here, right? So let me show you, this is a BitGet Wallet. Just go and click on Connect Wallet, right? And here you can just download on your Chrome browser, or if you have the mobile application, then you can just go in there. Now here you have to select TON and receive, tap to receive, right? Copy the TON address shown. So you have to copy it and log in into your Bybit account, right? And here go to the assets and window withdraw. Select TON as the coin to withdraw. Now enter the withdrawal details. So paste the TON address you copied from BitGet into the address field. Select the TON network. Enter the amount of TON you want to withdraw. Review the withdrawal details and confirm. Now here you have to complete the withdrawal. Bybit will send you a verification code to your register email, right? Enter the code and complete the withdrawal process. Wait for TON deposit in BitGet. The TON token should arrive in your BitGet wallet shortly after the withdrawal is processed on Bybit. You can check the TON balance in the BitGet wallet section. And in this way, you will be able to transfer TON token from your Bybit to your BitGet wallet. Right, I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, subscribe.